Welcome to the CodeHS Elementary Platform Demo. CodeHS offers two main pathways for elementary computer science. Our K-5 computer science pathway is intended for schools with a dedicated technology or computer science teacher located at the school, who sees students about once a week. Our K-12 interdisciplinary CS pathway is for schools who want to integrate computer science with core subject instruction, led by grade-level teachers providing coding lessons that are connected with grade-level learning standards for math, science, ELA, and social studies. We also offer state and district-aligned pathways. For each pathway, we provide a sequence of courses by grade level that builds and reinforces student learning year after year. Next, let's look at the student and classroom management side of the platform. From the Sections page, teachers can enroll students, control which lessons students have access to, and view progress for each student. Teachers can also easily view each student's home pages and view their programs from here. From the Student Playground, students have the ability to create both Scratch and Scratch Junior programs. CodeHS provides a secure platform that saves students' work within the site. We offer a full library of resources, including how to get started with walkthrough videos, as well as quick reference guides for everything within our curriculum. Our Teaching Elementary CS course includes trainings on our portal, various software tools, and best practices for the different age groups. This is where a teacher can view and search our entire catalog of elementary lessons. You can filter via subject. In addition to lessons specific to computer science and digital literacy, we also have cross-disciplinary lessons that tie coding with core subjects such as ELA, math, science, and social studies. By just selecting science, you can view all of our science lessons. You can also search by tool. We support a number of hardware and software tools. You can also search by grade level or by concept. There are nearly 300 lessons here, and we are continually adding lessons to this catalog. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps of adding a section and a course in CodeHS Elementary. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, you'll land on this page. From here, I'll demonstrate how you can manage all your classes and courses. To add a new section, click on the Sections tab located in the sidebar on the left. Now, click on the Create New Section button at the top of the screen. You'll be prompted to fill in the details for your new section. Give it a name, select the grade levels and course. Before we move on to select a course, let's talk about the types of courses available in CodeHS Elementary. You have two main options. First, interdisciplinary courses. These courses integrate computer science with other subjects, making learning more holistic and engaging. Examples include coding with art, math, or science. Or option 2, our dedicated computer science pathway. These courses are focused specifically on computer science concepts and skills. They provide a more structured approach to learning programming and computational thinking. Select the course you want to add by clicking on it. In this case, I would like to select a first grade computer science course. Once you've entered all the details, click Create. Great, it looks like we've successfully created a new section with our course. Let's take a quick look at your section and see the newly added course. You can now see your section along with the course you just added. Your students are ready to start learning. Let's take a look at a lesson. We offer lesson plans designed to be able to jump right in and begin teaching with minimal prep using a format called Ready to Go. These allow you to simply follow along with your students while they work through a lesson. You can find these by going to All Lessons, where we're at here, or you can also look into your courses for your specific grade, or you can search by multiple subjects, tools, grade levels, concepts, or down at the bottom you can select Ready to Go. You can favorite lessons by clicking the heart here. Now, under My Favorite Lessons, we'll dive into a kindergarten Ready to Go lesson called Scout's Adventures. This is a story type lesson, and this is the third one, where Scout meets a friend. I'm going to open it in a new tab and it will take you to everything you need for this lesson. The easiest way is to scroll down to the full PDF lesson plan. The lesson plan covers a full overview of the lesson, details for pacing, and an optional rubric. You will also find the video slides available in Spanish. The video lesson is a great place to start, and this will allow you to teach and show this to students in the class live. When you are short on prep time, these videos are all you need. You will also have access to printable code instructions in English and Spanish, and additional interactive activities for practice. To see what the project will look like, you can first view the starter code. This is where students will be starting. You'll see it has Scout as the first character. You can also see a sample finished program. This now has a second character, and you can add code blocks as well. Notice how everything is embedded within CodeHS. You don't have to worry about going to another site or downloading a platform. To share this assignment and get the class on the same page, just copy the assignment link here to share. Now, let's look at the difference for a third grade lesson. With the racetrack game, I can click to start lesson and begin the video for students on YouTube. Again, you will have the starter and sample programs. This should make things easy when answering questions with students. You can review here based on the sample program and what the student's program should look like in Scratch. Students can easily access their CodeHS account using the teacher's chosen method. In this instance, the teacher has chosen to log in via classroom link. The student simply selects their name with the associated picture, and they're able to access their CodeHS account. The student's homepage or playground will be populated with their assigned lessons. All unopened lessons will have a present icon on the upper right of the lesson. The student can click into the lesson and begin coding. To navigate back to their playground, they can select the home icon in the upper left corner. All opened lessons will now have an open box icon in the upper right corner of their lesson. Students are also able to create their own projects using CodeHS. By clicking the box with the plus sign, students will be able to choose a project in Scratch or Scratch Junior. They can navigate back to their playground by selecting the Home button in Scratch or Scratch Junior. Now they can continue to work on this project whenever they'd like and show their creativity through their own projects. To log out at the end of the period, students can select Log Out and sign in again using the classroom's chosen option. At CodeHS, we view our work with you as a partnership. Because of this, we offer ongoing support to ensure you're equipped to do what you do best. With a CodeHS elementary license, you will have a dedicated customer success manager who can help you get used to the platform, answer questions, and provide examples of what other teachers using CodeHS have done. In addition to dedicated support, you will also have additional resources here in the support app, like our knowledge base. Here, you'll find articles that have detailed information for you to find exactly what you're looking for. If you can't find what you're looking for in the knowledge base, you can open a support chat in the bottom right of the page. This will connect you with one of our support team members who can provide help very quickly. While you're using this trial of CodeHS Elementary, however, you can reach out to your CodeHS representative and they can set up a call to help you with your needs. Unsure of who your representative is? Reach out to your admin and they can get you in touch.